Day 42, middle of November. Countdown's on pretty much till Christmas here. 6-7 weeks away. The holiday trends are everywhere.
It's here. It is everywhere. It has exploded. I think it happened, I was saying, before Halloween. So we got to get out there. But I wanted to show you just a few ideas. I've been working on Christmas really since the summer, which I know is a bit scary. So I wanted to show you some of the trends, some of the things I'm seeing, and how to create holiday moments in your house. I don't think you need to like blast the whole thing Christmas, but you can just create a few moments. So I hope this inspires you.
Okay.
With a few tips.
Let's break down the experience.
Okay, so I'm going to start here, and I'm going to start with a fur throw. So I just think you need one of these generally in fall, winter time, but I want you to think of the fur throw around your tree, so as the bottom of the tree. So instead of those traditional tree skirts that sometimes are a little tacky, you could put a fur throw, and it adds so much texture and glam to your tree. And then pillows. Now, I'm not a big fan of the Santa face on a pillow, I will admit. And I have seen some of those around.
Much more subtle here with the pillows.
like it subtle. This I got at Indigo, and you know, bringing in some metallics, adding a couple pillows to your couch. Just, it's a moment of Christmas. You could probably keep this up all year round, but put it away, bring it out next year.
Are we going with a lot of white for a color palette?
I like the whites, the creams, the gold, the silvers. You can mix the golds and silvers. That's like your base. And then if you want to add colors or anything, it's so easy to do. Okay. So that's why I thought I'll show you some of the base things that you can bring.
A little baby tree.
And then this little baby tree is so cute. And they have these in all different sizes. So I thought for all of us that live in Vancouver in small spaces, these would be great because it actually does light up, and you can actually put ornaments. So I put some cute little ornaments on there, and again, you can get this tree in a bigger size. Put this on a side table, your sideboard, and again, you don't need, that can be it. It can just be that moment, and that says Christmas.
Okay.
Yeah. And my second little vignette here from Canadian Tire, like, whoa, talk about Christmas explosion. They they have it all there. But I wanted to show you this little idea. So this is a wreath. Just kind of pull it up here, that you might already have at home. But again, you can get these really quite inexpensively. And instead of putting it on a door or window, which you could, how about using it as a centerpiece? So like we did here, you could use it on your table. Put it in the middle of your table, put some cute trees on it, some candles, and you've got a really chic looking Christmas centerpiece that can go on your table or your coffee table.
We're getting creative with the accessories.
Getting creative. And then this is something I do every year, is I just take vases that I have at home, and then these Christmas balls, little Christmas balls. Put them there. Again, that's your moment. Maybe you add a reindeer if you're going really crazy, but you just, again, you could put this on a sideboard, a side table, your kitchen, your dining room, and that's what people really love when they come in, is just seeing these little touches and these little moments.
And you like your glitter every time you come on.
There is a bit of a theme there, isn't there? I know, I'm always covered in glitter here. And then the third, I got some things from Thomas Hobbs, and again, talk about inspiration. They are like a winter wonderland over there, but I know we're not all florists, so I thought, what are some easy tactical things from there that we could incorporate? So similar to the balls here, I thought, you know, we all have these kind of like vases or hurricane things, and just put some pine cones in there. So I don't know about collecting them outside right now, they're a little wet, but you can get them anywhere. So again, put this on your table or sideboard. Greenery from outside, bringing out your nice little glasses or tea lights or china, and then collecting branches. So there's some great faux greenery. This is actually all faux, but just gathering a few branches together, tying it with a beautiful ribbon, setting that on your mantle, and that's done. So it's just like a little moment. It's not Christmas overload, it's just a little moment, and that natural touch always says Christmas.
And in terms of inspiration for the holidays, homes for the holidays, you're involved with this. Tell us about what's happening, what people can see.
Yes, it's going to be awesome. It's 5 houses in Vancouver, decorated by 5 different designers, and it's on November 26th and 27th. All proceeds go to Kids Help Phone, and I've gone as a viewer before, and it just provides tons of inspiration. This is just a little tease, but you're going to have so much inspiration for Christmas once going, so I encourage everyone.
And you're involved this year. You're one of the designers?
I am. I'm decorating one of the houses, yeah.
I expect to see plenty of pine cones and glitter involved with this.
Oh, yeah. Oh, there will be.
It's going to be a beautiful thing. You can check it out. Thanks for the ideas you brought for us today.
Thank you.